Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cream cheese pesto tomato bread. This is delicious. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. So this is really easy to make, and it'll be really simple to take to a party if that's what you're using this for. Also, you could just eat it by yourself and it would be delicious. So take a block of cream cheese and you want to cut it down the middle lengthwise. So it opens up like a sandwich. Then you want to take some julienne sun-dried tomatoes and some regular basil pesto. And for the tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes, if you want to use whole ones, that'll be fine. If you want to use the paste, like the sun-dried tomato paste, I think that would be fine too. You would just want to spread it on the other side of the cream cheese. So we just put in a dollop of that pesto, as much or as little as you'd like, and then we're going to put in some of these sun-dried tomatoes, as much or as little as you'd like. And there's not really measurements for this recipe because it's really to your taste. And you could add some other things to this too if you wanted, if you wanted to add some garlic or maybe some onion or some other fresh herbs, some more cheese. I don't know, I'd be thinking maybe some extra cheese would be good, like a nice brie. Okay, so then you want to put the other half of the cream cheese on top so it makes like a little sandwich. Then you're going to take some crescent rolls and you're going to take a big enough section to kind of wrap around the cream cheese, and we're going to wrap the cream cheese up in these crescent rolls. You want them to be not in the little triangles, but kind of in bigger sheets. So you want them stuck together pretty good. And this will take some time, putting dough together like this. It can be a bit tedious, so take your time. But just make sure that everything is pressed together really well and there's no seams where cream cheese might leak out while it's in the oven. And then you're going to set your cream cheese right on top, and then you're going to cover it with another piece of this crescent roll dough. And again, you just want to make sure that there's nowhere that the cream cheese is going to leak out of it. So you want to lay that on top, and then you just want to pinch the sides together, being very gentle because it's really easy to tear this dough. So once you get it all put together, if you want to, you can take some extra scrap dough and you can make a little design on top. That's what Mom's going to do. She's going to make a little flower design. You don't have to do this part. It's only if you want to, but it does make it look extra festive. Okay, and then you're gonna do a little egg wash on top. Then just do that by mixing up some egg and using a little paintbrush to brush it on top. If you don't have egg, you can also use milk. Any kind of milk will work just fine. Oat milk. I've tried oat milk, almond milk, and regular milk, and they all work. Oh, and evaporated milk. They'll work just fine in substitution of an egg wash if you don't want to use an egg. So then you're just going to bake that at 350 for about 20 minutes, and there it is, all done. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.